Hello there and welcome. I'm Ole Brøgger, and if you're new here, I really hope I'll earn you a subscription today. This video is actually not something I intended to do, but the previous Army Painter videos I did with the reviews and test of the paints, it raised a couple of questions about the washes. Are these old war paint washes the same as the new Fanatic Washes? Personally, I believe that they are. Army Painter said so, they didn't change the formula. But I got my hands on this at a local dealer that had some of the old war paint washes left in stock. And I bought it myself. I didn't get anything sponsored. There is 11 washes in the old set, but there's 18 in the new one. There was added some new colors, and I will only test the old ones that should be the equivalent to the new ones. These colors over here are the new colors as I believe it, but we have the rust and the orange tone, and they could be the equivalent to the mid-brown in this box. But I actually believe that one of the new colors, called the sepia tone, is the equivalent to the mid-brown. But we are going to test it out. Maybe I'm wrong. And then we have the skin tones. There's two here in the new set, but there's only one in the old one called a flesh wash. And we're going to test out which one of these are the equivalent to the old one. I'm not sure yet, and maybe these are both new colors. Then we have all the tones from light to dark. We have all the equivalents of those. And then we have the colors over here. I prepared a test sheet and I only primed everything in white, so it is easier to compare the colors. I will explain along the way how we are going to do this test. Why don't we get started? Okay, let's unwrap this box and see what is inside. Yeah, I know what is inside, but let's unbox it anyway. Unwrapping the cellophane and opening the box. And on top of everything, we have a painting guide. This is the usual stuff that Army Painter sends with all their paints. And here we have all 11 paints, nicely tucked into a plastic box. Let's see if we can get them out and find their equivalents of the Fanatic range so we can start the test. The first four I'm sure of is the dark tone, strong tone, soft tone and light tone. And here are all the equivalents from the Fanatic range. These four washes are the first four I will try to do on my test sheet. I've 3D printed some banners and primed them with white. And for this test I will use two separate brushes, one for the old war paint washes and one for the new. And for the old ones I will actually use this brush that is called a wash brush. And then I'll use this silicone palette. This is actually a part of a baking plate for dog treats. I use my vortex shaker for 30 seconds on each paint. This is because even washes need shaking too. If you don't shake it and some of the pigment is falling to the bottom, you will experience a glossy effect from the paints. So if they have been laying around, please shake them because we don't want that to be glossy. Both paints have been shaken up for 30 seconds and I will pour them up in my silicone popper. I will keep old war paint washes to the left and the new Fanatic washes to the right. And this is my wash brush, and I thought maybe I should use another brush just for the Fanatic paint, so I won't use the same brush for the two washes. And then I will put on a layer as I would do on any miniature. I just splash a lot of wash on the model, and then I will just try to spread it out all over where I want it to be. And then I will do the exact same thing with the equivalent color from the war paint Fanatics. And while I apply the war paint wash, I can see it's exactly the same, but we just have to wait until everything is dry so we can compare all the colors. But I think I am right, and I trust that the army painter says that the formula is the same and there is no difference. And I will use the same process for the strong tone, soft tone, and the light tone. Old washes to the left and Fanatic Washes to the right. And now to the green tone. I've heard a lot of people say that the green tone and the military shade should be the same color, but I don't think that is true. I can tell the difference, and we will see that in a moment. The old green tone and the new green tone are exactly the same. And for the military shade, it's the same thing. They are exactly the same, new as old. But there is a clear difference between the green tone and the military shade. And now to the red tone. I am also getting the same result for the blue tone, and the purple tone are exactly the same. And now to get some answers. Is the mid-brown the same as the sepia tone, orange tone, or the rust tone? I don't know yet, so let's try it out. And this was kind of a surprise. None of the three new colors is the same as the mid-brown, so there's no match here. And will this be the same thing with the flesh wash? I don't know yet. Is it the same as the strong skin shade or the dark skin shade? Let's try it out. And apparently not. They are not the same. I have 3 skin colors. That was kind of a surprise. I must say, I was quite surprised about some of these washes, but all the matching names were exactly the same. There's no doubt about it. All these colors down here and the brown to dark light tones to dark tones, they're definitely the same. However, I was quite surprised that this mid-brown didn't match any of the 3 other orange to brown colors. This is a color that doesn't exist in the new range. And these are also 3 brand new colors, which is good, more choices, and I like that, but I was still surprised. I was so sure that the sepia color was the mid-brown, but I was wrong. And then there was the flesh. Now I have 3 different flesh colors. The old one here didn't have a match on any of the new range, but I really love all 3 of them, and I think it can work for me. But I will still miss this, and now I have something in stock, I can use it, and you rarely use very much of these flesh colors, so they will last me for a very long time. And that's pretty much it. We got it all settled. The old war paints are exactly the same as the new one. I am so sure of that. And I think this sheet proves it. I will leave a copy of the picture in the community tab. And this is just pretty much it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Goodbye for now.